All right, welcome back. And in this session, we're going to talk about WebEx personal rooms. So there are a couple of reasons that you might want to use a personal room. One being the ease of use for scheduling your students to come see you each day. Let's jump right into it. So if you want to create a meeting with your personal room, there are two ways to do this. If you have the WebEx app installed or WebEx program installed on your computer, you can pull that up and you can see that right here. So at the top where you see your picture and your name, there's also a URL, and this is the URL to your personal room. If you click these two little squares or rectangles, one on top of the other, that will copy it. And you can take that URL, jump into an email, send it to whoever you want. Well, let's just send it to Josh. I'm sending him everything today. So this is my personal room, and it helps if I can type here. All right, so we're gonna just paste that link right in there. This link is not going to change. So once you do this for the first time, they're gonna use the same link every time. So you can see the convenience factor there. I'm gonna shoot that off. Actually, let's not have him join this right now. All right, so that's the first way that you can do it. You can also go to Argyle ISD. Let me actually just type this out here. argyleisd.webex.com. You can see I've been there before. If you have not signed in or not signed in recently, it's going to prompt you to sign in. You can see that URL for the personal room is right there as well. You can copy the whole thing, highlight it, copy it, and again, you can paste it into an email. And there are two different ways that you can start those meetings. So back in your WebEx client, let's see, where's my client? There it is. You can just hit start meeting simply there, or from your WebEx URL, you can start it here as well. I'm going to start it from my client. So let's hit start meeting, and there we are. You're gonna see my video view here in a minute, and it's gonna look a little bit strange, but that's okay. That's not the way you're gonna see it. I'm gonna go ahead and simulate somebody joining your meeting. So you can see I'm on the other computer. All right, I joined the meeting with that computer, and you'll see something is different if you're not used to using your personal room. Down here at the bottom it says, and let me switch to that screen. Down here it says Jesse is waiting in the lobby. You can hit admit here, or you can expand the view so that you can see who's in your meeting, and you can see that message again at the top, admit, and that is going to let that person into that meeting. This is a security feature now so that you can only let in the people that you want into your meeting should somebody else get your personal link, your URL, since it does not change. That is basically it for how you start and use your personal room. It's going to look like any other WebEx meeting, but again, that URL does not change. Big convenience factor if you're meeting with your students every day. And in the next video, I'll go through some tips and tricks, what you can do within this WebEx client, and how to better manage your meeting. Hope you enjoyed.